What's up guys, welcome to OK Studios, and today we are going to mix slime with Orbeez. So a while ago this got recommended to me in the comments below, and then Nerf blaster trick shots. I just thought it sounds like a really good idea. So for our first step in making slime, we add 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of borax. So once you do that, you stir until it's dissolved. So once you're done dissolving that, you set it aside and you take 4 ounces of glue. Pour it into this special bowl right here. Here, let me get that good ASMR. And once you're done pouring the glue in, pour 1/2 cup of water. And as much food coloring as you want. And once you're done adding the food coloring, add the dissolved borax water into the glue, water, and food coloring mix. We're done with the slime. It's fun to play with. Now we're gonna get the Orbeez and put the Orbeez in there. But first, I have some interesting ASMR coming for you. That's nice and slimy. So the slime did not come out as I hoped, but it turned out okay. It felt really nice with the Orbeez. Be sure to unsubscribe and hit the dislike button, and definitely don't turn on notification, and don't comment below.